Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Google Assistant on Android. Voice commands made easy. Google Assistant is the default on Android devices. That's why many people use it. You'll find a helpful assistant all over. It works on phones, Chromebooks, smart speakers, and your TV. It's a versatile assistant with a solid range of features, including answering questions about the weather, setting reminders and alarms for work, and helping you look for a new phone. After installing Google Assistant, you can use it immediately. The default values for most of the settings are solid, but you might want to change a few things to tailor your digital companion to your needs. First, go into Settings. Customize how you want to trigger Google Assistant and train it to recognize your voice. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and select Google. Switch to All Services tab. Tap Settings for Google Apps and choose Search Assistant and Voice. Now, select Google Assistant. Then tap Hey Google and Voice Match to open the voice activation options. Turn on the Hey Google toggle to turn on voice activation, or turn it off to protect your privacy or prevent battery drain. If you turned on Hey Google, tap I agree on the next couple of screens to agree to the terms. And then, follow the on-screen training process. You'll speak a few phrases starting with Hey Google or Okay Google. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.